How to add filters in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add filters and customize your searches. First of all, open the application. Now as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the left top, there's a small filter icon. Simply tap on this filter icon. So basically this is the section where you can filter out people. Here there are different sections and categories that you can choose from. So here as you can see, there are different sections that you can enable automatically. And at last, here on the bottom, tap on apply. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the people will be popped up according to the filter that I have just selected. Now you can choose the person whom you want to contact or chat with, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you